Welcome to my video called Making Friendships. In this video, I'll be offering advice on how to make friends with solutions to address some of the challenges tweens face in doing so. To start with, let me tell you why it is important for you to have friends. Friendship helps you to boost your self-confidence as an individual, making you feel good about yourself. Having friends makes you lead a healthy lifestyle because the socialization nurtures the relationship and creates a special bond among friends. Friendship also gives you a sense of belonging through interaction, association, companionship with others, which is wonderful. Friends are a joy to be around because when you're together, you share affection, joy, and laughter. And of course, friendships are fun. While being in a friendship is exciting, not everyone finds it easy to make friends, as we all have different abilities to do so. Some people use their acquired skills to make friends, while others are able to establish friendship connections naturally. So, what are some of the challenges and how can you overcome them? Number one, anxiety. Being edgy stops many of you from making the first step to meet new people or talk to them and make friends. The feeling makes one uncomfortable, which makes them avoid making friends. Number two, bad friendship experiences. This has caused tweens to stop wanting to come out of the closet and make friends, especially if it involved bullying, which resulted in causing harm to an individual. Number three, separation resulting from changing places or schools, which leaves friends with no option but to find alternatives to fill up the void left by their friends. Having identified the challenges, I have valuable tips for you on how to overcome them. For anxiety, the solution to overcome this feeling is to stay calm and strike good conversations that will create a connection between you and a new person or people. When you've had bad friendship experiences, don't dwell on the bad, as it will stop you from looking out for the good in finding friendships. So, focus on the positive outcomes of having a new friendship, looking forward to starting all over again. If you suffered from being bullied and decided to step back and stay away from friendships, look out for people whose behavior can cause you harm and stay away from them. But most importantly, focus on finding good friends that can make you happy. For the tweens who lose friends as a result of being separated for various reasons, many find companionships on social media platforms and devices as alternatives to keep themselves occupied. While it is good to make friends on social media, there can be many dangers to doing so as opposed to making friends that are physically present. There are many tweens who've endangered their lives by meeting friends on the internet. It is for this reason that you must be responsible when using the internet. Because friendships are valuable and very important to everyone, especially you the tweens, this is how you should go about making friends. Identify places to meet friends of your age, such as your school, at family outings, within your community, including play parks, which you frequently visit. Look out for common interests you have with those you meet when you want to establish a friendship. For example, having a taste for similar movies, books, games, and outdoor activities. Find friends who are your age mates. It will be easy for you to relate at the same level because you have same interests and engage in similar activities, which is great to have conversations around. Develop a good attitude, which will attract friends to you, such as good etiquette, respect for others, and treating them like you want to be treated. Also, ensure that your character is acceptable enough to win new friends. It will make them like you back. When you decide to make friends on social media, be extra careful because some people are not truthful and have bad intentions. There are many dangers in making internet friends which you should look out for. And remember, always use the internet responsibly to avoid being a victim. Always show love and care to the new people you meet if you want to make friends easily. Use good language which is polite and acceptable. Gestures like smiling help much, and laughing at their jokes is good for conversations that lead to friendship. As a tween, always remember that how you present yourself in the way you talk, the way you dress and interact with others is important in attracting good friends. Therefore, ensure that you are at your best at the above mentioned qualities when you want to make new friends. Well, in ending the video, I hope you can go out there and make yourselves good friends to work with into your teenage life.